I'm back. Another resto mod completed. This was originally 2013 Venom. I think it was a Pro. It used to be in white, but it's a chrome now. I'm just gonna go over what I've done to it. Obviously made the frame nice chrome colour. Burny chain on it. New back wheels. The fork, obviously this sticker needs to come off because it's off a different bike. Hasn't got a brake yet. Don't know if I should put one on. Got the iron cross for good luck. You know, it's just got a bit of scuffs on it, like there's rust here. Yeah. Nice pedals, which are a bit ungreased. Like, some nice tyres on it. Yeah, so on. Front's a bit flat, but yeah, I'm gonna end it there. Bye. Let's have a look here. So nice.